Ever feel like the market's personally out to get you? You spot the perfect setup, wait for confirmation, and boom, instant reversal. It's like every time you think you figured it out, the market just laughs. Yeah, I've been there. I tried every system, every so-called magic formula, and all I got was more confusion. Because here's the truth. It's not about adding more stuff to your chart. It's about removing what doesn't matter. And once I did that, everything changed. My trades got cleaner, and for the first time, I stopped second guessing every move. And today, I want to show you exactly how to do that for yourself. A simple step-by-step way to read the market clearly. No guessing, no overloaded, no nonsense. And quick disclaimer here. This video is for educational purpose only, not financial advice. Always manage your risk. Alright, let's dive in. The core free indicator we use in this strategy is called Spectre Trend Cloud. Think of it as your personal map of the market, a tool that highlights trend direction and key retest zones. Here's how it works. A Spectre Trend Cloud by Chart Prime is a flexible moving average based tool that builds a colored cloud showing market direction. It uses two adaptive moving averages, one short and one long, and adjusts for volatility using ATR. Whenever momentum shifts, the cloud changes color, instantly showing you when the trend flips. Adding it in TradingView is simple. Click Indicators, type Spectre Trend Cloud, hit enter, and select this one by Chart Prime. Once added, you'll notice the cloud behind the price. Red means downtrend, candles below the cloud. Green means uptrend, candles above the cloud. And here's the key part. Seeing a color flips is just the beginning. Most traders jump straight into a trade when the cloud changes, but that's a rookie mistake. We wait for the price to retrace back into the cloud. That's where the real opportunity forms. Right at the moment, the indicator prints a pullback signal. That's your high probability buy zone. You're entering with a structure and confirmation, not chasing a breakout. Now let's switch to Tesla. Price moves below the red cloud, confirming a downtrend. We wait for a pullback into the same red cloud, and there it is. The indicator prints a pullback signal, giving us a clean sell setup. Later, after that trade closes, price retraces again into the red cloud. And guess what? Another pullback signal appears, another valid sell opportunity, following the exact same logic. This is where the consistency starts to form. You're not guessing, you're letting a structure align again and again. By default, a Spectre Trend Cloud works well, but with a small tweak, we can make it even smoother. Open the settings, set the length to 50. And change the MA type to SMA. That's it. This helps filter short spikes and makes trend detection cleaner. But remember, this cloud mainly shows short-term trends. To see the bigger picture, we need a longer-term momentum filter. So head back to the indicators and add the Donchian trend ribbon. By default, its period is too short, so open the settings and increase the downchain channel period to 100. Now, the ribbon gives a clear picture of longer-term momentum. Green means bullish momentum and red means bearish momentum. Simple but critical for confirming trades. Now that we have the structure and momentum aligned, let's put them all together in real examples. On the 1-hour chart of gold, the uptrend starts when the cloud flips green and price moves above it. We wait for the next retracement into the cloud, potential buy opportunity. Before entering, we check the downchain ribbon. It's green. Bullish momentum confirmed. Now we have a structure and momentum in sync. That's a valid buy setup. But before we take any trade, always have a risk management plan. If you haven't already, check the video link in the card above. It walks you through a simple, step-by-step way to build a risk plan in minutes. Alright, back to the strategy. Never risk more than 1% of your capital. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing or below the cloud. Target at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. After the first buy, price retraces back into the green cloud again. Downchain stays green, momentum is still bullish. Another valid buy. Later, another pullback, same logic, same structure, same clean opportunity. This repetition is where the system earns consistency. You're waiting for the market to come to you, not chasing it. Eventually, every uptrend ends. Price finally moves below the cloud. It flips red, confirming a trend reversal. We wait for a retracement up into the red cloud. Then check the downchain. Red 2. Momentum confirmed. That's your short setup. Same system, same rules, just mirror. And remember, never trade against the market momentum. That's how you cut losses fast and let profitable trades run longer. Now you have a complete trading framework. A Spectre cloud for a structure, downchain ribbon for momentum, and your own discipline for risk control. This is how you remove noise, stay consistent, and trade with confidence, not emotion. And if you found this helpful, I've got another strategy video recommended on the screen right now. It builds perfectly on what you just learned and introduces a different setup that fits seamlessly into the system. Check it out now and I'll see you there. Happy trading!